This giant beetle fakes a hissing sound to steal food from ants. Meet the Titan beetle, one of the largest beetles in the world. It makes a loud, aggressive hissing noise that sounds exactly like the warning sound of army ants. The smaller ants hear the danger, signal, and panic, dropping their food and running away. The twist? It doesn't even need to fight. The fake hiss scares the ants into abandoning their hard-earned food, and the beetle simply walks away with the prize. Nature's biggest food bully. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts. LL, you won't believe the next one.